Yep, I broke up and quit using my Amazon sometime after that. But I did order some packages through Prime here for Christmas at least 3 years ago or something. And my packages, several of them didn't show up. I looked at where the tracking went and I tried to, and I couldn't even get a ride from anybody anyway to get to Roanoke. Hardly, I don't know nobody around. I grew up here, but I didn't stay close with anybody other than my family and a few people. It's just how it went. Well, okay, I'm gonna go to the mailbox. Well, maybe the one package that I didn't find yesterday that says it was delivered yesterday through Temu will show up today. Let's see.